Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making the laptop the host and the phone the client. Install Steam Link or Parsec on both devices, sign into the same account, and enable streaming on your PC. Once done, connect the laptop to Ethernet or place both devices on a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to cut latency. Make sure your phone is charged and on the same network. Then launch the host app on the laptop so your mobile can discover and pair with it immediately. Next, optimize network and input so gameplay feels responsive. If you can, use USB-C tethering or wired Ethernet to eliminate Wi-Fi jitter. Otherwise, prioritize a 5 GHz connection. In the streaming app, set output to 1080p at 60 FPS to keep a good quality/latency balance and enable hardware encoding on the host. Pair your Bluetooth or wired controller to the phone and verify button mapping. Finally, launch the game on the laptop and start streaming to your phone client. You'll see the host screen mirrored and controller input forwarded. Test responsiveness immediately with aim or quick movements. If you detect lag, reduce bitrate or resolution and retry. If problems persist, make sure background uploads/apps are closed, switch to wired networking, or enable low latency mode in the app. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll have a reliable mobile as console experience quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.